Today's message is never giving up on yourself. Now, look, I'm pretty sure a lot of us, we all share the same story. It's like just things that we go through in life. I've had people lie to me. I've had people steal from me. I've had people stab me in the back. I've had people look me in the eye and tell me they love me and cheat on me. But guess what? I woke up this morning, took a deep breath, and I'm still breathing. It's true what they say, what doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. Remember, people don't define you. The world doesn't define you. You do. You're a lot stronger than you realize that you are. Okay? People will make fun of you. They will spread lies about you. But always know the truth. You know, it's like that saying, let the dogs bark. I really don't care. I've got pretty thick skin. This isn't my first time. You kind of become numb to it after a while. It doesn't have such an effect on you anymore. Just know this. You will get up tomorrow morning, and if you don't, you'll be in a better place. But you will get up tomorrow morning, and the sun will shine. The sun will shine. Also, another way that I look at it is that whatever you think of me is none of my business, because I really don't care what anybody thinks of me. It's how I see myself that matters to me. See, I'm the center of my happiness. No one else. You remember that. You guys have an awesome night. Peace.